Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can factory reset your phone, since most people face the issue of not knowing how to reset their phones, and they ends up doing it so badly, so you have to be careful with this method because your phone, if it's not properly erased, it will face a lot of technical issues. So now today I am going to teach on how you can do it properly. So to factory reset it, simply start by opening settings. After having it opened, try finding about your phone, so simply slide down, then open it. After having it opened, you can see that from here there is the information about your phone, such as your phone's name, phone serial number, phone's model, and so much more. So to reset your phone, simply slide down on the reset button, and now you will be given a chance to choose what type of data you would like to reset. For example, here on resetting settings, all your settings that has been set will be sent back to default, and here beneath it you will see how to reset your network settings. This will automatically delete all your phone's network's data, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and so many network data will be erased, and from here is to set all your phone's permissions back to default. So to delete all your phone's data, simply click on Factory Data Reset, and what this will do, it delete everything in your phone. And now as you can see, here are all your informations that are about to be permanently removed from your phone, such as emails and the rest other accounts you have in your phone. And beneath them you can see that from here are all the apps that will restore once you have erased it, such as calculators, calendar, email, and so much more. So to permanently erase your phone, simply click on reset, and now as you can see, here is your phone's password, and if you put it, your phone will erase everything in it. So simply put it in, and make sure that you have the internet Wi-Fi while doing this, because you will need to set it up when it starts. So simply erase it if you have all that. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.